That's not right. Okay, way better, I think. What's going on? I hope everybody had an amazing Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever it is you celebrate. And so then I figured that I would just show you what I got, and you can tell me in the comments what you got. Deal? Okay, let's see. Oh, so here in the great state of California, or if you're anywhere near the West Coast, you understand the importance and the significance of a good hamburger. Not just a good hamburger, but a hamburger from In-N-Out. Now, from somebody who goes there quite often, it is important that you stay hydrated. And it is important that you get enough coffee during the day. So, I received one of these bad boys. It is like this In-N-Out tumbler you can put coffee in. Word on the street is if I bring this to In-N-Out, they give me like free coffee. Don't know if that's true. We'll find out though, for sure. Ooh, speaking of coffee, I also got this Chewbacca mug. I don't know if, can you see that? It's Chewbacca getting a freaking haircut. Cause I used to be a barber. Different story for a different time. But amazing. Coffee, you need it. It's essential to anybody's life. Also, in order to keep these lips looking as good as possible, I was also hooked up with some Jack Black lip balm. These are my favorite. Not only are they they're smell good, they taste good, but they also have sunscreen. And you don't really realize how bad your lips need sunscreen until your lips get sunburnt. And then that's just a bad day for however long you burnt. And then if you thought your lips were chapped, then they're really chapped once they get burnt. Staying on gifts that have to do with, I don't know. Anyway, anybody who knows me knows that I love me some Star Wars, but more specifically, I love Lando Calrissian.
Welcome, I'm Lando Calrissian. I'm the administrator of this facility. And who might you be? Welcome, Leia.
He is the smoothest dude in the galaxy. I got these stance socks. Probably, can you see these? They're Lando Calrissian, right? Like, how amazing was it to get hooked up with these socks? I don't even know if I'll ever wear them because, like, I lose socks all the time. But, like, I just want to keep those in a frame with, like, Lando memorabilia. I got some stuff autographed by him a few, years ago back in Portland. And I just want to keep that there. I'm going to make, like, a Lando shrine, I think. Yeah, so those are amazing. And the detail is, like, ridiculous. I just don't know if I'm ever going to actually wear them. I also am a Chicago Bears fan. Again, another long story. But I got hooked up with this, like, big three-dimensional, kind of like a Lego set. But this thing has 1,300... Can you see that? You probably can't see that. It's got 1,373 pieces to this bad boy. This is not for the faint of heart. But because I got it, and I think it's amazing, and I think it'll be really, really cool on a shelf. And I think what I'll do is I'll do a video when I put this bad boy together because I really want you guys to see me do that. Ooh, I also got some jackets. Sticking with Chicago Bears, I got this Chicago Bears jacket. I am a veteran, a Navy veteran. So my mom, she knows that I like when the NFL does their military inspired pieces. So this is really cool. It's super warm on the inside, which I'm really pumped about. And then on the back, it says USA, best country around. I don't care who you are. Yeah, this thing I'm super excited about because it's waterproof. I can wear it when I go on a run. I can wear it when I go, I don't know, wherever. But I like it because sometimes you just don't want to wear your team's colors all the time. And this is a way to wear a more neutral color. And you still got a little bit of the team color there. So, mom, coming in the clutch. I also got other really cool jacket. It is a rain jacket parka from Jurassic Park. But it's all Japanese. It was a collaboration with Bait. This thing is super dope. It's even little detail on it. It's property of engine right here on the sleeve, and then there's some other stuff here on the sleeve as well. Super dope. I love this jacket. It's amazing. I got hooked up with jackets. I think I'm covered for like at least a few months when it comes to jackets. And last but not least, I got a really cool luggage tag. Now, it's one of my favorite brands around. You probably can't see it, but it is Shinola. And I got this custom navy blue leather, which is my favorite color, luggage tag. Yes, it's super fancy. And yes, I got one. And the person that hooked me up with it, you know who you are. I really appreciate it. It's very thoughtful. You probably, I don't know if you can see it there, but it also has like E. Brown imprinted on the leather. And if you're traveling, you know, like a lot of times you get like a basic suitcase, or you have like basic luggage or like a basic duffel. You really don't want somebody like grabbing your stuff and being like, oh, this is mine, when you know it's not. So when you throw this super fancy luggage tag on it, you're probably going to be all right. Someone's probably not going to pick up your bag that's got a really, really nice luxe bag tag on, because it's yours. And they don't have style like you. They don't. So super happy about this. I really love it. And it was super thoughtful. And I love the fact that it's custom. No one else can have this. Even if they got the same color, they're not going to have what was put on here. So that was awesome. Plus it also comes in this really, really cool, again, like case, which I love, because that's like a keepsake too. Ooh, I also got a tablet, which is too far away for me to grab right now. And last but not least, what I'm really pumped about, I got to spend time with my family. I got to go up to LA to see my sister and hang out with her and her people. And it was really, really good being able to spend time with people that I love. Gifts are nice, stuff is nice, but at the end of the day, every holiday, no matter what holiday you celebrate, it's all about kicking it with your family. And with that being said, that wraps today's video. If you liked today's video, do me a favor, click the thumbs up button, give me a like, and also hit the subscribe button. I try to do videos at least twice a week, and that would be awesome, because that way you can stay up to date on what I got going on and what we got going on. All right? I can never do that. It never works when I try to do it. Video's over.